If you are a profile individual, be it 1%, or a politician, or diplomat, or even the head of crime family, you share common concern, the potential threat of assassination or kidnapping. In such circumstances, owning a bulletproof armored vehicle becomes not just luxury, but necessity. These vehicles are equipped with an array of features designed to protect occupants from weapons, explosives, and gas attacks, all while ensuring a comfortable and luxurious ride. Join us as we explore the top 10 bulletproof vehicles in the world. Number 10. Rizwani Tank. The Rizwani Tank, also known as simply as the Tank, is an SUV built to handle extreme safety situations with the futuristic armor design and features like shocking doors, smoke screens, and run-flat tires. The tank offers unparalleled protection powered by 6.4-liter HEMI engine, producing 500 horsepower. It's a formidable presence on and off the road. Number 9. Conquest 915. The Conquest 915 is a monstrous bulletproof luxury SUV built on the platform of Ford F550, hand-built and powered by a V10 6.8-liter biofuel engine. It boasts a formidable presence with its military-inspired design and black paint scheme, with thick armor plating and protection against handguns, shotguns, and rifle ammunition. The 915 offers both security and luxury. Number 8. Pterodyne Gurkha. Built on the Ford F550 chassis, the Pterodyne Gurkha comes in several models such as resembling military Humvee, with armor plating capable of withstanding everything from handguns to armor-piercing sniper rifles. The Gurkha is a force to be reckoned with. It features thermal imaging cameras, a fiber suppression system, and an escape hatch for added security. Number 7. Sisu GTP 4x4. The Sisu GTP 4x4, manufactured in Finland, is a modular armored vehicle designed for versatility and protection. With add-on armor kits and components, it offers customizable level of ballistic and blast protection powered by Mercedes-Benz diesel engine. It combines robustness with agility, making it a favorite among European armies. Number 6. Incus Bentley Bentayga. The Incus Bentley Bentayga redefines luxury and security with its 360 floor-to-roof plastic protection. Featuring gold-plated windows, shockproof doors, and surveillance system, it assures safety without compromising on comfort. This armored SUV is the epitome of opulence with a price tag to match. Number 5. Incus Mercedes G63 AMG Stretch Limo. For those who demand both luxury and security, the Incus Mercedes G63 AMG Stretch Limo delivers. With ballistic glass, perimeter surveillance, and advanced control system, it offers peace of mind in lavish package. Customizable options include a smoke screen system and an oxygen supply, making it the ultimate armored vehicle for VIPs. Number 4. Darts Prombone Monaco Red Diamond Edition. The Darts Prombone Monaco Red Diamond Edition is the epitome of luxury and exclusivity. With gold-plated windows and exterior bulletproof caliber coating, it exudes opulence while providing top-level protection. Each purchase includes 3 bottles of world's most expensive vodka, reflecting its status as the ultimate armored vehicle for the elite. Number 3. Mercedes Maybach Pullman Guard. The Mercedes Maybach Pullman Guard sets the standard for luxury bulletproof limousines. With steel plating, high-strength fabrics, and thick bulletproof windows, it offers unparalleled protection for its occupant. The longest Mercedes Maybach vehicle, it boasts spacious interior equipped with a cutting-edge technology and amenities. Number 2. Carlman King. Futuristic and aggressive, the Carlman King is the world's most expensive SUV with carbon fiber and steel construction. It's both bulletproof and imposing, featuring a V10 engine producing 400 horsepower. It's as powerful as it's luxurious. Custom built to the owner's specification, each Carlman King is a unique masterpiece. Number 1. Armored Truck SUV. Designed by renowned car designer Milan Lebanon, the armored truck SUV is the ultimate in armor readiness, with a hybrid engine generating up to 2000 combined horsepower. It's as powerful as it is secure, equipped with a Thermalite VN oxygen regeneration and filtration system. It's prepared for any threat including biochemical warfare or even space exploration. Thank you for watching our countdown of the top 10 bulletproof vehicles in the world. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more trending top 10 videos.